This is Michael from the Academic Center for Excellence. If you're taking ITP 100 this semester, I've got a useful tool for you to know about. That is the Visualize Code Execution. You can find a link to it on the Germana ACE website under the academic links. One of the best things you can do when you're working with computer code is learning how to step through your code line by line and understand what it is doing at each line. That is what the Visualize Code Execution does for you. You simply paste your code here and click Visualize Execution. Then you're taken to this screen. By clicking Next, you step through each line of code and see a representation of what is going on in computer memory as your program executes. This is useful for tracking down an operational or logic problem where the program works but doesn't work the way you expect it to. So I hope you find this tool useful, and if you find you need more help in ITP 100, be sure to contact the Academic Center for Excellence to schedule an appointment.